So for the first, let's call it 30 days, we're yielding token X. So everybody, all NFT holders, there's 50 NFT holders, they're the founders. The founders are yielding token X. So they're all yielding token X. So that's fine, we're all yielding token X. And then the new drop comes in, so we have now 500 players. And now instead of yielding token X is now no longer yielded, and we now everyone yields token Y. And maybe have 5,000, and then everyone yields token Z. This is called the Y 2.0 thesis, and it means that every time we have a new drop, a new collection, we also introduce a new token. Why would you do this? If you go back up to here, we have on-chain and off-chain. So token Y is basically the token, the actual Cryptopia token. So if you go to Dex Tools or Token Explorer and you look for the Cryptopia token, you will find token Y. I almost don't want to use Y here because it's not actually, it's called a J. So you'll find token Y. Whereas here, so the way this bridge works is that the actual Cryptopia token is token Y. But from the game, you yield token X or token J or token Z or whatever. And you take your token X and you trade it, you pay the gas fee and you trade it for token Y. And that's how you actually, by leaving the game, you go from off-chain to on-chain. So you go from not having a crypto token to owning a crypto token when you leave the game. So the way the deflationary thesis works is that we have, for the first founders, we have token X. For the second drop, so 1, 2, 3. For the second drop, we have token J. For the third drop, we have token Z. So every time we release a new collection and we introduce a new set of players into the game, which is obviously inflationary, the more people that are playing the game, the more people that are yielding. The more people that are yielding, that's inflationary. Just like if the dollar prints more money, if we give out more tokens to more players, it's inflationary. The value of the token decreases. So we can go for deflationary metrics traditionally, or we can do this right here, which is just this token X then just remains as token X, and it can still be traded for token J and token Z at a multiplied rate. So maybe we say token X equals 5 token Js, depending on the amount of players that are joining. So this is a 50 to 500 is a 10x. So we can say to our users, the inflation of this new drop is going to be a 10 times inflation. Therefore, if you have 100 token X, you will be airdropped 1,000 token J. And that's how we'll do it. Or you can have the choice to change it into 1,000 token J, and that's how we'll do it. That's one way to get around it, if you guys want to read this and understand that method, and that's the deflationary method.